Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen. So we will be sharing with you another episode about reviews about insurance, online stores, and other things, and even apps relating to money, so usapang pera. Now, I'd like to share with you paano at okay ba na kumuha ng insurance sa AIA Film or AYA Film. So, Film siya dati. I don't know if it is called AYA or AIA. Ngayon kasi, yan yung tawag sa kanya. So, dati it is Film. And that time na kumuha ako ng insurance policy sa Film, number 1 sila at that time. And then, dumating sa point na naging number 1 na yung Sun Life. But, hindi pa rin ako nagsisisi kung bakit kumuha ako ng insurance policy sa Film Life at that time, which is AIA na ngayon. Why? Because nagamit ko siya this time. So, last 2024, specifically nung December, nagkasakit ako and na-hospitalize ako. 10 days akong nasa hospital. But even before that, maraming beses na gumastos ako para gumaling. In the time na na-hospital ako, obvious naman na I really need a lot of money. So, dahil meron akong insurance, naisip ko, I have to claim it. So, there. I-share ko sa inyo kung paano ako nagkapera because of this insurance from AIA. So, of course, noong 2008, kumuha kami ng insurance policy with AIA or Film. And then, 2008 up to now, 2025, ngayon ko masasabi na okay talaga kumuha ng insurance because pagdating ng matinding pangangailangan, may makukuha ka. So, may makatulong sa'yo, especially financially. So, ibig sabihin, nakuha ko na yung benefits na ino-offer nila sa insurance policy or product na kinuha namin. So, as a review, para sa AIA or Film, masasabi ko talaga na okay kumuha ng insurance. Especially, hindi natin alam yung time na kailangan natin siya. In my case, so our policy actually is meron kaming 2,000 plus na payment monthly. Pero ginawa kasi naming annual, around 12,000 plus. Ganyan. And nagkasakit ako last December 2024. So nag-apply ako like March, April, actually May na namin nakuha yung aking benefits. Hospital benefits. Yung binabayad nila sa amin. I think it's 1,000 per day kasi yung nakuha ko is 10,000 pesos. So, nag-hospital ako ng 10 days, so it's 1,000. Yun talaga yung nakalagay sa insurance product na kinuha namin. So, totoo naman, nung mismong may nangyari sa akin is, yun, may nakuha talaga ako sa AIA Film or AYA Film. So, natuwa naman ako kahit medyo matagal yung proseso. Mabusisi kasi sila. You have to gather all the requirements, yung mga proof mo, yung hospitalization, lahat-lahat ng yon, certified true copies, send mo sa kanila, screenshots and all. You just have to follow what are the requirements at kung paano ito i-process. Then, maghintay ka na lang pag meron ng confirmation that they receive it. And of course, tatawagan nila yung doktor mo, yung hospital, to verify kung tama lahat yung sinend mo or kung totoo siya. So, yan yung review ko sa AIA Film. Alam ko na magandang kumuha ng insurance product sa kanila. Just be patient pag naghihintay sa benefits mo para darating talaga siya. So, again, my name is Karen. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!